Imagine standing on a vast, shimmering expanse that stretches to the horizon, a place where the sky and earth blend seamlessly. The salt flats of Uyuni offer this otherworldly experience, transforming into a giant mirror after rainfall. Watch flocks of pink flamingos glide across crystal pools and marvel at cacti-covered islands rising from the white desert. As night falls, the sky